What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. We are here in Delish Barbecue in Sector 26 Noida. This is a different kind of episode because we came here to witness a food shoot. The food shoot was done by Mohit. Actually Mohit is right here. He is shooting me with his camera and he is right in front of me. Behind the camera is Shailendra. So there is plenty of food. There are about, I don't know, 15 or more items here. We are shooting a large veg platter and a very large non-veg platter. I'll list out all the dishes in the description below because I can't exactly remember the names. We'll taste some of them because they're getting heated up and see how are these dishes. We have already tasted food from Delish Barbecue earlier. We have done an episode on Nihari. We have done another one on momos. If you have not seen these videos, I'll give a link up here. So Mohit was shooting two kind of platters. One was a veg platter. It's right in front of us. So in the veg platter, we have plenty of dishes made of mushrooms, made of potatoes and paneer. So there is chili mushroom and there are many paneer dishes. I exactly don't know the names. I'll give it in the description below. But what interests me is the non-veg platter. The non-veg platter has got mutton kebabs and the chicken kebabs and also fish. And there are plenty of tikkas and my favorite barra, mutton barra kebabs. So first we'll taste the fish amritsari. Normally the fish amritsari is a large fillet of fish which is normally coated in basin batter or chickpea flour batter. And a lot of ajwain goes into this. So let's take a bite of this and see how it is. I think this is surmai fish and it has got three flavors. And also it is deep fried, so the fish has got steamed inside and it's very crispy from outside. Excellent. So the next dish I'm going to try is the mutton barra. I love mutton barra because this is marinated mutton pieces. Mutton is on the bone and it's marinated in papaya. So it becomes extremely soft. Just have a look at this piece. It has got charred in tandoor. I like this hues of this mutton piece. You know, there is that brick color, red, and also a little bit of charred meat. It is actually juicy. When you bite into it, it actually melts in the mouth. It is not like mutton which you get in a curry. This is soft like butter. You just bite it and it melts in your mouth. You also get this flavor of this spices and the tandoori flavor. The little bit of the charred flavor. That's what I like about mutton barra. Mutton barra as it should be and as I love it. I think this is mutton seek. This is not from frozen mince. This is freshly minced mutton and that is the secret of this soft kebab. Just see, it is so soft. The kebab is so soft and bouncy. That's how a kebab should be. It's just a piece of kebab, so the whole kebab goes in one bite. Excellent. Don't miss the platter. You should order this for the festival season ahead. There are no explanation required for this tandoori lollipop. It really looks good here and kids will love this. So let's take a bite straight away. Crunchy. Crunchy is the word and is smoky because it has gone into tandoor. Excellent stuff. This is the non-veg platter, but not all the dishes. So you can order these platters, the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian platters. Now, Delish Barbecue is ready with its platters. So many dishes at very affordable rates or prices. I'll give the prices and the complete list of dishes in the platter in the description below. Try it at least once, you will get hooked onto it, I'm sure of that. I hope you have liked this variety of food or plenty of dishes in front of me. If you have liked the video, smash the like button. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription button and also the bell button for notifications. Keep safe and stay healthy. Till the next episode, bye.